Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to take better pictures with a Fujifilm Instax instant camera. This will be a beginner guide, so let's get right into the video. This is actually the Fujifilm Instax Mini 11 instant camera, but these tips will apply to any of the Fujifilm Instax instant cameras that you can get your hands on. There's different mini numbers that you can purchase. There's different sort of models of the Instax camera. So I'm going to be going over 6 simple tips. I'm going to go through them quickly, so pay attention, okay? Write them down, implement them, and you'll take better pictures with this camera or one that's just like it. So let's get into this video. Tip number one is more light on the subject is better. So if I'm taking a picture of myself, more light on me being the subject is a better thing, okay? You want more light on the thing that you're taking a picture of, okay? Number 2 is less light towards the camera is better. So less light directly facing the camera is better. What you want is light on the subject. You don't want light going into the lens. If you get light going into the lens, that's how you get sort of glare and various different other aspects of a photo that you don't want. Sorry about clearing my throat. I need some water. I don't have any in the car right now. I left it at my work site and I'm going to go get the water shortly. So, but for right now, I have to cough and clear my throat. So I'm sorry about that. I know it's probably annoying, but it is what it is. So number 1, more light on the subject is better. Number 2, less light facing the camera is better, okay? Number 3, take a few seconds to compose the picture. When you're looking through the viewfinder, take a few seconds to make sure everything's centered, make sure everything's in the camera frame, and make sure you have it like directed nicely at what you want to take a picture of. Number 4, 2 hands are better than one. I see a lot of people taking a picture like this. You know what I mean? They're holding something, whatever the case is. And at the end of the day, sure, you can take a picture like that, but you're more likely to get a blurry effect, and you're more likely to just not have it centered, not lined up. So use 2 hands. 2 hands holding the camera are better than one. It's like driving. 2 hands are better than one. When taking pictures, it's the same thing. And obviously, I'm the king of driving tutorials on YouTube. I'm just kidding. I'm totally not the king, but you know, it is definitely one of my specialties. So 2 hands are better than one in most situations in life. Okay, that's number 4. Number 5, hold the camera still while taking the picture. You might hold it with 2 hands, but then if you're moving the camera, it's going to end up being blurry because it takes a second for the camera to sort of take that picture, to gather the evidence of that image. Okay, so essentially, you know, the stuff that you see through here, you want it to come out in the picture. It takes a second for that to happen. So when you take the picture, you want to be still and you want your subject to be still. If there's motion, you will get a little bit of blur, which is totally fine. But if you want to take the best quality pictures, you want to reduce the blur. Last but not least is number 6, which is don't shake the printed picture. When you take a picture with an instant camera like this, the picture will print out through here. And back in the day, I remember when I was a kid, my parents had an instant camera. They would shake the picture. My older sister, I have a sister that's 8 years older than me and a sister that's 2 years younger than me. So my older sister is substantially older. Fun fact, I actually work with her. Yeah, we're actually co-workers and brother and sister. At the time of me filming this video, at least we work together. Really, really interesting little fact. And we get along just perfectly fine. I think because of the big age gap, we never really fight about anything. Anyways, with that being said, that's a side note. You know, they would shake the picture back in the day, but you don't have to do that. You want the chemicals that are in those instant pictures to just sit. So your best bet is just place it down on the table, place it on a flat surface, or just hold it flat. That's how you're gonna get the best results. Because you can take a good quality picture, but if you mess it up because you're shaking it, then guess what? It's not gonna turn out good quality at the end of the day. Okay, that's it. That is how to take better photos and pictures with a Fujifilm Instax instant camera just like this, which is the Mini 11, but it applies to all of them. A beginner guide with simple tips, 6 simple tips to help you take better pictures. And that's truly it. If you like this video tutorial and explanation, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.